What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Nico and I'm back with another video. So as y'all seen in the last video, we moved to a different location in Phu Quoc, and I'm gonna show y'all around where we staying at. Come on. So this is coming outside of our bungalow, because this place is just a line of bungalows. Let me see, I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. About 9 or 10 bungalows, y'all. And we are at number 1. And we got Rocco, he our neighbor. Well, sort of our neighbor. I think he had number 3 or 4, one of those. What's number you at, bro? 3. Yeah, Rocco at number 3. And so outside of each bungalow, it's all trees, shade, you know what I'm saying? Sitting area, as y'all see in front of all the places. The curtains open up, you get all the sunlight come inside. And you see they cleaning up right now. They come clean up every single day. Every single day. And keep watching. At the end of this video, I'm gonna let y'all know how much you paid. We staying here for 2 weeks, and I'm gonna let y'all know how much we paid for the 2 weeks we staying. They've got a nice little swing for y'all who like to swing. I'm not getting on it because I might break it down. And all these lights and stuff light up in the nighttime. Like I said, all the greenery. And as y'all see, y'all can see the lights up there. In the nighttime, this place is lit up. So we've been here for 1 night already, and it was very comfortable. AC work, hot water work, you know, very comfortable stay. And it's very quiet, you know. See, I appreciate the little jungle vibe, you know. I like the outdoors and things like that. So a little jungle vibe like this is just for me. I like that. So y'all see, like it's bungalow style, or bungalow. And I think the people who work here lives here at the end. I'm pretty sure you probably can rent it out too, but from what we noticed, the workers live over here. So we got like a little sitting area right there. And yeah, that's to the end of the little walking path of the bungalows, or where you'll be staying at. And if y'all just be quiet and listen, just listen to this. It's just quiet. It's quiet, y'all. Look at the beautiful trees. All types of palm trees and, you know, things like that. That's a nice little jungle vibe, y'all. And like I said, right here you got the pool area. And next to the pool area you got the, like a little, like sitting area you do work or eat. You also got a kitchen. You can use the kitchen too. So, matter of fact, I'm gonna walk over here and show it to y'all. Get up close. Like I said, you got a pool right here. Come over here and sit by the pool, have you some drinks, or just chill or whatever like that. They got a couple more bungalows over there, empty. Like I said, this island's pretty empty for the most part. So I suggest y'all get out here before you get too packed. Yeah, this is like a little sitting area, food, work. You know, they got good Wi-Fi over here. The Wi-Fi is not too great in the room, but you can come over here and the Wi-Fi works great. Hello, this is the host right here coming up. Super nice. And you're allowed to use all this stuff, y'all. All this stuff. And that's the kitchen. You can come in here and cook whenever you want. Anything you need, they got it. Free water, free coffee. What else could you ask for, y'all? Free water, free coffee. They come clean every day. And yeah, ask for more. And yeah, like I said, that was the host. It's not the owner, but that's the host. And she's super accommodating and super nice. And she speaks English. So for all my English speakers out there, you don't have to worry, because she speaks English. Oh yeah. So for this room, we staying here for 2 weeks, and we pay $170 for 2 weeks, y'all. That's $170 for 2 weeks. Can't complain, y'all. Cannot complain. All right, so now we're about to take a walk around the neighborhood, go to the store, get a couple things for the room. All right, so first stop, y'all, is the ATM. We need to go to the ATM, get some money out, because we are all out of cash. And most of the places around here, the little local spots take cash only, so you're gonna need cash. Can't be just carrying a card around. So we're about to hit the ATM, get some cash, and then go to the store. Okay, fast food spot. Little burger joint right here. And another little, like a corner store, y'all. Got your noodles and things like that. Ice cream, noodles, chips, all the corner store stuff. Yeah, I know. And they also got a laundry service right here, y'all. If y'all want to pay to get your laundry done. Like, our hotel got free laundry. That's also included with the price. But if you want to pay for your laundry, you can come here and drop your laundry off and let them do it for you. All right, so we made it to the end of the street. Now we got across the street, hit the ATM. Let's see. Come on. Okay, thank you. Okay, at least they stop here. In other places they don't stop. At least they stop here, y'all. All right, so we're gonna hit the ATM. All right, y'all, we went to the ATM, got money. Now we're about to find a store to go to. And this sun is booming today. Yesterday it was raining, but today the sun is out and it's shining. All right, y'all, let's cross this street. It's all love, y'all, it's all love. Just gotta try to keep it positive, think positive. A lot of folks get mad when they see that, but hey, you know, as long as I ain't eating, I ain't tripping. I don't like getting recorded and stuff while I'm eating. All right, we gotta. Okay. Halfway. All right, halfway, and then boom. All right, and that's how y'all do it, just like that. See that? Go halfway. And then go the rest of the way. Too easy. Too easy. All right, y'all. So we're at the juice spot right here. We're trying to get some juice. Hello. Let's see. Smoothies. Let's see. They got smoothies, juice, tea. Let's see. Let's see. You got the menu right here. What are we gonna get? The juice. Let's see. Oh, they got soursop.
They got the sour salt.
You had soursop before?
Yeah. That's all I drunk in Costa Rica.
Okay, let me.
That's the fight.
I never had it before. Let me try the soursop smoothie.
Sour. No.
You don't have?
Not
okay.
I want watermelon.
Maybe it's seasonal. Yeah. Seasonal. Do you have passion fruit?
Passion fruit?
Smoothie? You got a smoothie? Like a shake? Yeah, with ice, passion fruit, ice together? Okay. Which one? Watermelon smoothie?
Watermelon?
Yeah, smoothie?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
I want watermelon juice. No smoothie. Watermelon juice. Smoothie, okay. Same thing? No double up.
Okay.
Are you I am hot.
Okay.
Thank you.
We wait here.
Yeah.
We wait here.
You wait here?
Yeah, we wait here. Okay. Yeah. All right, y'all. So we're gonna wait here for our smoothies and juice, and we're gonna see how it tastes. Pretty sure it's gonna be good. I don't know if it's gonna be able to compete with Thailand, but we're gonna see. All right, y'all. So mine and Rocco's came out. We're still waiting on Lex. She got the watermelon juice. I got the passion fruit juice, of course. How this shit tasting, bro?
No syrup, no sugar. This shit sweet as hell.
Mine. What? And I got mine. Let me try it. It's good. It's sour though. I don't think they put no sugar in this thing, but it's still good. I like passion fruit, y'all. All right, so Lex ordered the juice, but they gave her the smoothie, so she ain't too happy right now. So they're gonna get her the juice, and I think Rocco might want another one too. So yeah, we about to order some more. These things busting, y'all. They good. All right, y'all. For 3 of those right there, cause we ended up getting the smoothie, the watermelon smoothie, the watermelon juice, and this one right here, it was 90,000 dong. I'm gonna put that in the dollars right here. But yeah, I'm gonna see if the dude got delivery, y'all. It's good. Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah, you got delivery? Yeah. How do we order? Go outside.
Outside?
America. U.S. U.S. Yeah.
That's me right there.
No.
There you go.
Okay.
Thank you. So we message you.
What time?
I message you when we order. What time you close?
11.
11. Okay. What time you open?
Open 7.
7 to 11. Okay. We text you on Facebook. And we right here. What is it called?
My name hotel.
Have fun.
Have fun bungalow. Have fun bungalow.
Have fun bungalow. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, good.
Food too? Okay.
Okay, yo.
I got food too. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay.
See you.
See you. Okay. Let's go. You too. You too. Oh, they got the food. This food right here too. Okay. Yeah. Hold on. He called us back. Let's see what he's on. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Taxi.
For taxi. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna get the taxi. Okay. Thank you. Okay.
Diving.
Huh?
Diving tour.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Diving tour. Okay. Okay, yeah, they're out here making their money, y'all. So that he gave us the card for the taxi and diving tour. Honestly, we just gonna use Grab. I mean, I'm just being honest because that's how you're gonna get the best deals. You know, unless they compete with Grab prices, then we probably just gonna use Grab. Anyways, we got our smoothies, our shakes, our juice. We're about to head back to the bungalows, y'all. Just kick it. Probably order some food. Try some banh mi's out, maybe. I don't know. We gonna see. All right, y'all. So this is the first store we gonna check out. The first store. Yeah, this is what we need right here. We need this type of bottles of water because our hotel got they got refillable, the little jug to refill the water, but they only got the small one. They got coconut oil.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab some of that too. Yeah, what's that water down there? This one. What's this one right here? The Satori. What's that?
I'm gonna get this one Nestle.
Nestle. What's this one? I like the spring water. I don't know if it's spring water or not. I'm gonna try it out though. Hopefully it's good, y'all. Hopefully it's good. Here, baby.
Coconut oil. Oh,
They do have coconut
Yeah,
oil.
they got it right here. Do y'all see deodorant?
I know if they don't. Yeah, it's right there. That's deodorant, but it's what I use.
Which one you use? I can't use that X no more.
It's similar to this. It ain't exactly that, but it's similar to that.
That X man, me up. Breaking me all that.
Let's use that kind. It got whitening in it.
Brightening.
For a
Yeah,
lady.
that one got brightening in it. Make the armpits stay. You know how women is, but they people got the armpits.
Yeah.
Get the people.
Oh, there go mosquito stuff. This is what we need for the mosquito. Boom. You want one too, bro? Mosquito.
No, I ain't
Yeah.
getting nothing extra.
Yeah, we getting that mosquito stuff for the mosquitoes. Yes, the big bottle for just 2 people. Yes, y'all. We need stuff for the mosquitoes because it's pretty over there where we at. Nice and jungle-like, but the mosquitoes in the evening time are nothing to play with. Got everything, y'all. Juice, everything. Look at this juice. Where the rest of the juice at? It ain't full up. They ain't even fill all the way up. Okay. All right, y'all. I think we got everything we need. We got our coconut oil. We got our water.
Yeah, they got plenty of cookies.
They got plenty of the snacks up
Which
here.
one you would get if you had to choose?
I know you use this one. Yeah.
Say less, people.
See, they know. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, yeah. They know.
She told me.
She know what to get. They know. Let me see. I might get some of these oat snacks right here. Strawberry. Get some of these oat snacks right here. Oh yeah, we can get some of those. Get some of these oat snacks, y'all. Yeah, that's fine, baby. Let me see.
They got soju.
Let's see Rock over here talking about. They got the whole liquor section, y'all. Oh man.
At the bottom.
And they do have the soju. If y'all out there and y'all never had no soju, back there in the States mostly, if y'all never had no soju, just go to the liquor store and ask them, hey, do y'all have soju? And show them this video. All right, it looks just like this.
I'm finna get some cocoa rum.
Just like that. And I promise you will not be disappointed. Just mix it with some like some 7-Up or a Sprite, something, or you just do it like a lemonade, and I promise it's good. You won't even taste it.
Big dog, I'm finna get some cocoa rum.
Go on, I go half on it.
Chocolate rum. Yes.
Chocolate rum.
Yes.
I remember that song Chocolate Rain that came out.
Chocolate rain. Stop.
Yeah, and this is the last aisle. This is like yeah, clothes. I see bras in there, you know, socks, everything. Beach towels, all types of stuff, you know. Stuff for the ladies over here. For the kids back there. You know. I tell you, this is probably the little spot that we're gonna be coming to again, our things that we need, you know. Alright, y'all, so our total was $317,000. And like y'all already know, I'm gonna put that in dollars down here at the bottom. Lacey had to come back, she want the candy. Lacey want the candy, y'all. You got it?
Okay. 60.
Okay, 60,000 for the candy. All right, thank you. Put it in. All right, y'all. So this gonna wrap this video up. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and be looking out for the next one. Peace.